Hey everyone, today we're making something super special and incredibly quick. Start by peeling 2 bananas and place them right into the bottom of your air fryer. Next, I've got 1.5 cups of rolled oats. Let's add that in. A nice little dash of cinnamon, 1 egg, a good drizzle of honey right over the top, and pour in about 1 cup of milk. Now we're going to mash up the bananas and get everything well combined. It's best to use a silicone spatula here so you don't scratch up your basket. Either way, where are you guys watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd absolutely love to know where my viewers are from. Alright, just spread it all out evenly and give it a good shake. And here I have some chocolate chips. We're just going to sprinkle these right on top. There we go. Now let's pop the whole thing into the air fryer. We're gonna bake this at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Would you look at that? Doesn't that look amazing? Now let's give it a taste. So delicious. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss another recipe. See you next time and enjoy.